So beautiful. Taylor is the only one who wore jeans. You see that? I knew I shouldn't have did that. There's John. He's finally coming. So annoying. Good morning. I currently have a beat face because I'm supposed to be going to a birthday dinner with my mom, Leslie. It's for Lissette, and then Lissette's friend Tatum should be coming as well. I thought the reservation was at 3:30. Also, it's like 45 minutes away. So I was expecting to get to my mom's pretty early because Lissette also wanted me to do her makeup. And I have a nail appointment that I'm leaving for in like 5 minutes. So, also I'm talking quiet because it's the morning. I'm over here beating my face, doing my thing, and I was just confirming. I was like, oh, it's a reservation at 3:30, thinking they were gonna be like, oh, because I was thinking either 3 or 3:30. Leslie texts back and says 5. Ma'am, if I had known that, I would not have did all this. I could have woke up casually, did my thing, went to get my nails done. Because if my nail appointment is at 10:15, I'm actually getting my nails taken off, so there's like nothing great to show. So now I have all this extra time because I don't have to be at my mother's house till 3:30. I was expecting to get there at 12. It is like about to be 9:45. I'm sorry, I keep switching my hands because my arm's getting tired. We have reservations to go to the Sugar Factory and AC, unless it also wants to walk on the boardwalk. Yeah, I'm about to head out right now. Fit check, real quick, if you're wondering what I'm wearing right now, which is obviously not the outfit for today, but the outfit for right now. So, this is the fit. This is my gray hoodie that my parents got when they went to Aruba. They got literally the same hoodie but in all different colors for each of us. So I got the gray one, and I'm just wearing some sweats that I got from Boohoo. I have on my Air Force Ones, and like I said, I just threw my, I don't even know what my hair is doing back here. What is that? Okay, we're gonna fix that real quick. Someone find me a tutorial on YouTube on how to do a messy bun for little hair, short hair, because like every time I try to, it just never works out. Yeah, literally, like I said, I'm heading out, 9:51, have to go. You can see me on my way to get my nails done and then possibly at Sam's Club doing some grocery shopping, so let's get her done.
Good morning, how can I help you today?
Good morning. Can I get a medium caramelized latte with 2 extra pumps of caramel? Thank you.
Damn, it is so hard for them to hear me. Because is my door open? Okay, that was weird. So hard for them to hear me because the freaking flags that they have are flapping away. Like, look, the freaking flags are like flapping like crazy. Heaven send you to me. I just hoping that will be history. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Damn, I ain't getting no risk. Oh my gosh, go on. Damn, they trying to get fucking hit. They just walking right in front of my fucking car. You know, I hate that you really can't see me. I'm cut off. I need to do like a little taste test since we're here. As I'm driving my car and filming, this is not safe. Oh my god, I'm going for a speed bump. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go to shit. That is so good, and I'm trying not to crash, and we're going for it. Hold on, oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god, are you guys okay? You literally like flew off the dash, but I'll see you when I arrive at my destination somewhere. Okay, so I got back from the nail salon. My nails are so bare now. I am eating Wendy's real quick because I have to leave by 1:30. It's 12:17. Just got me some fries and a drink, and I got the spicy nuggets because I haven't had spicy nuggets. They don't have sauce anymore, so I got this ghost pepper ranch sauce. So we're gonna do a taste test. It's pretty good. Oh. Oh, that's spicy. I like that. Okay, let me go eat this. Finished my hair. Makeup was already done, so I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit really quick. So this is what I'm wearing. It's like super freaking cropped and it's so cold out today. But I'm hoping that I'm going to live, even though we are going to Atlantic City. So it's going to be really cold because we're going to be near the water. But I have on my IMG teddy coat. This top is from Windsor. I actually wore it for Valentine's Day last year and I've worn it a couple times. It's actually one of my really favorite tops. And I just have on like a regular bra underneath of it because it's like a bralette. I got this from Victoria's Secret. And then jeans. My everyday jeans, usual jeans, American Eagle. These boots I got from Target. And then my bag. Let me come over here and find her. Under all my, okay, she's not over there. Oh, she's on the ground. My bag that I'm wearing is my Rebecca Minkoff bag. And then I am currently packing a whole bunch of makeup because I'm doing Lissette's makeup. So I have this bag and then I just pack some palettes. And then I just have some other makeup in here because she has face makeup, but just have some beauty blenders. Ignore the fact that they're dirty. I did her makeup last weekend. Some blush, contour, and then I have all this with the brushes in there. And a couple other palettes. I'm about to head out because I need to head over there soon so I can do her makeup. And then I need to make sure I accessorize correctly. And you will see me in a few seconds yet again. She's in her room?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good. I'll surprise her. Hello. Oh, your hair looks nice. Did you curl that yourself?
No, I didn't have salon.
What are you watching?
Oh, yes.
What are you? Oh, Love Island. Okay. Oh, don't you look cute? You gave her gems? Oh, y'all look so nice. Are you ready? Yes. So I can do your makeup.
Just like Rodney,
Recording?
Yes,
I'm just gonna go fast now. Looking Lissette, looking so beautiful. Look at you. Get a quick sneak peek of the outfit. Can you hold it up? Oh, it's right there. Wow, did not know that. Oh my god, we could have got makeup on that, Lissette. Well, this is cute. Where is this from? I like this. Was I there? Oh, is this the one that we bought?
Yeah.
Wow. And then the blazer over top. Okay, we can't wait to see the final product. And the shoes. What are the shoes going to look like?
The shoes are also the same.
Ooh, we love a good shoe moment. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, well, we're going to see Lissette after she gets herself all together. Do you have your outfit on yet? Is her... Oh! Oh! Wow! Both of you. Tatum, I see you walking.
Right?
Tatum over here looking cute. Oh, okay. You look very nice.
Yeah, my hair makes me look like a businesswoman.
You didn't want it like that?
Like, it was good last night, but then
Okay.
like, the rollers, they made it too tight.
Made it too tight.
And I don't know what to do.
You gotta whip my hair back and forth. That's all. So you can get into it.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I think I like it with the volume now though.
Yeah.
The volume looks very nice. Yeah. Looks very nice. Yes, yes, the volume. You see Leslie's outfit right now? Do you see the hair? Yes, we're vlogging today. Tell us where everything is from, the fashionista that you are.
This is from River Island, the booth.
Okay.
The jacket's Fashion Nova.
Okay.
And the dress is, I don't remember, Windsor.
Okay. And show us the pony. Bring her around. Wow. Look at you.
Where's the bag?
The bag is over here.
Marshall.
Yes, hold the bag so we can get the full
The
full
bag
effect.
is from Marshall.
Wow, looking lovely as ever. Everyone dressed way better than me because as you can, well, I already showed you my outfit, but as you can see, Taylor is the only one who wore jeans.
Well, Mommy said.
She's wearing leather pants.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all right. I'm going to give a tour of the minivan because this is not my mother's car. This is a rental that we are taking. Let me open the door. Ooh, very nice in here. Let's just get inside. It feels very, wow, this is so spacious. This is so nice. It smells delicious in here. Oh, wow. Wow, this is looking, oh, this is her charger. I was like, this is looking very old school. Like, what is this? Okay, here is Mishan's outfit. Please tell us where everything is from, starting from the top to the bottom.
Okay, my jacket is from one of my favorite spots, which is Marshall's.
Okay.
Lane.
All right.
My BB is from Ross.
Okay.
My pants are from TJ Maxx.
Okay.
And my boots are courtesy of my baby, Michael Kors, Christmas 2021.
Oh, snap. And where's your jewelry from?
My jewelry's from a variety of places.
Dang, she got all the bling. I didn't even realize you had all that.
Yeah, some gifts from the children, bracelets I
Okay.
have in there, mixed in with some others.
Okay.
Earrings are courtesy of my husband. They are Coach.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you. Necklaces, a little bit of everywhere. I found
Okay.
my necklaces.
Very nice. Wow. The whole fit. Everyone looks so amazing.
One more item.
And then there's me.
My wrap.
And then there's me. Oh, she has more.
Yes.
The fur.
Michael Kors.
Okay.
Courtesy
Shut up,
of my
Lissette.
oldest child.
Oh, wow.
My
Ooh.
wrap for tonight since it's going to be cold out.
Okay.
So we're going to be ready.
Very nice.
And we have matching muffs that we will pop when
Oh.
we go in the restaurant.
Okay.
Come.
Wow. Oh, gosh. It's stuck in my hair.
I was just ripping. Let me take them off in the car, but I want her to see them.
Those look nice.
Yes. Come on.
Alright, come on.
Look at our mask. What did they say?
Sweet.
Bro.
Mommy got something for you now.
You like them? Where'd you get those?
Ordered them.
Now you gotta. There's yours.
So when we walk in the restaurant,
Alright, I gotta take a picture.
You like it?
I like it very
Put it on.
Where the camera?
and it has
Hey, look.
Oh my
Here.
gosh. I know her hair looks great, doesn't it?
No, it's fluffy.
There you go.
I need the
All right,
camera.
take our picture.
Where's the camera?
So do you want this part? I'll do that because I'm not quite sure. I think part of the little down. You go, oh, hi.
In 800 feet, turn right onto South State.
It's hard to see Tatum. There she is.
So he eats for his daddy, but doesn't eat for me.
Oh, look at you getting out looking all cute and stuff. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you have your birthday mask on?
I do. It's right here.
Or do you have your fur on, mother?
All right. Make sure I got my mask.
Let's go. It is the next day. I am pretty much running late because it's 11:42 and we're supposed to be at Dave & Buster's today, Sunday, for Lissette's second day of celebrating her birthday. So we're going to Philly to the Dave & Buster's. There's one around the corner near us, but the one in Philly is bigger. So I just got finished getting ready. John literally just went downstairs to heat the car up, and so now I'm just going to show you guys my outfit real quick. And I'm actually really proud of like all this. This is my first time doing like a messy bun on my hair in a long while, and I'm really liking it. I wore this exact outfit on Thanksgiving Eve with my friends, and I never ended up posting that video, but this Sherpa jacket I got from Target, this top I have from Fashion Nova, my necklace is from Windsor, my leggings are also from Windsor, and then my shoes are from, I think I got them from Marshall's, and then I just have the same bag from yesterday. So this is the full look today. If you can hear a rumbling noise, that's John starting the car. But yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with everything, how everything turned out, and I'm going to head out and leave now. Ooh, you see that? I knew I should have did that. I'm gonna bring some bobby pins just in case, because that was just so scary just then. We don't like that. We don't like scary. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys at Dave & Buster's. The music. There's John. He's finally coming. So annoying. We unfortunately late, but it's alright because I'm ready to get a drink today because I didn't get a drink yesterday. I'm using my phone to record because I'm a little nervous recording right now with my camera. But John's getting a little playing car. We just saw everyone and we're probably going to start eating soon. You know what? Got it. Which one are we going to get?
I already have one. It says power card.
Maybe don't use that car no more. Is it not working? Oh, there we go. Woo! I didn't record much, but I recorded enough, and we are on our way back now. Don has our gifts, our little prizes that we won. Can I do a haul? Probably not. What if I do it right here? Oh, stay. I can do it right here. Okay, haul time. We got this basketball hoop. This is what John wanted. Yeah, leave it like that. That's good. And then I got these car coasters that talk about coffee. And then, hope those don't fall. I got the Dirty Minds, the game of naughty clues, the world's cleanest dirty game. I don't know how dirty Dave & Buster's can get, but I also got this as well. This is like the perfect spot to film. If I had the same thing in my car, do you know how great that would be? Yep. I literally recorded me going to Tim Hortons, and it was on my dash, and you could barely see me. That was my haul. And now we're on our way home. Ooh, it smells good in here.
GPS thinks I'm already on the bridge.
Dang, what the heck? Okay.
Right there, we are.
Oh wow, that's funny. Alright, well, we're on our way home now. And we're gonna end the vlog when I get home. So I'll see you guys when we get home. Hopefully Why am I gonna, oh, that's what you mean. You think she's gonna, no, she's not gonna make it. She's gonna make it if she's right here. We are home now. As you can see, my stomach's out because I'm wearing my crop top Sailor Moon shirt. I'm feeling extra tipsy now that we got home. It was a great time. Enjoyed ourselves. I like the prizes that I got. Sunday, so we're gonna watch Euphoria, obviously, so we can talk about that whenever I freaking upload this. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed filming for you guys. I felt like this was very fun and interesting, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. I'll see you later.